You've probably never heard of this company, but it's worth over $3 billion, and I cloned its business model from home using one simple AI tool. I didn't write code, I didn't hire a team, and I didn't spend thousands building software from scratch. Instead, I took a proven concept, simplified it, and started offering the same type of service to small, local business owners, and they loved it. Now, I profit daily online using this exact strategy, and the best part? Hundreds of others are using the same model to get their first paying clients and build real monthly income. If you're feeling stuck, burned out, or constantly searching for the next side hustle that actually works, this could be the turning point. It's 100% beginner friendly. You don't need any tech skills, no marketing background, no upfront investment to get started. And just to be clear, I don't have a course or high-ticket coaching program to sell you. If you like this video, share it with a friend and comment down below once you've done that. Then I'll send you a private link to get my full step-by-step course, templates, scripts, and live bootcamp, all 100% for free. So I'm going to show you this exact multi-billion-dollar business. I'm going to show you exactly what they offer, for what price points, so you can just copy and paste this entire business, even with no money to get started. So the business that we're going to be looking at here is called Podium. And what Podium does is they help small local business owners, think chiropractors, electricians, real estate agents, dentists, orthodontists, with their online marketing so that they can get found online. And the crazy thing is, if we take a look here, if we type into Google Podium valuation, we can just zoom in here and we can see that by November of 2023, so it's been almost a year now, they were valued at over $3 billion, and they had raised over $419 million in funding. But the cool thing for you is I'm going to show you how you can get started 100% for free, no money to get started, no marketing experience, no tech skills, and I'll show you how to get clients and how to fulfill for these clients with the exact offers and price points that Podium offers. Okay, so let's first take a look at what Podium actually offers so we know how we're going to be helping these small local businesses with their marketing. So we're just going to come over here to solutions, and you can see right here, they have the AI reputation specialist. So reputation is basically reviews and being able to get more 5-star reviews. You can see on Google and Facebook, because the more 5-star reviews a business has, the more likely they're going to show up at the top of the search results, the more people are going to find them, and people are looking for more businesses with more reviews and more 5-star reviews, right? Then we come over here to leads and phones and calling, SMS messaging, having the ability to capture leads from their website. And then over here, we've got payments, AI concierge, AI salesperson. This is basically just being able to manage inbound calls and outbound calls, leveraging AI, some automations, some integrations here, and then text marketing, contact profiles, which is basically a way that you can store all of the contacts that you have of past clients, future clients, potential clients, all in one simple location. Now, you might be looking at all this and be thinking, well, Jason, I'm not a developer. I don't know how to code or be able to build out a product just like this. And if you're thinking that, don't worry, because I'm going to show you guys here in just a minute or two how to clone this exact software in a matter of minutes, even if you have no marketing experience, no tech skills, and you can do it for free to get started. So unlike a lot of these gurus are making you spend $1,000 to $5,000 on some course and coaching and then go and buy their software, I'm going to show you how to do all this 100% for free. And as I mentioned earlier, if you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and also consider subscribing to the channel if you're brand new here, I'm going to hook you up with the private link to unlock my free course, my templates, scripts, how to make this exact business happen. Okay, so now that we know what they offer, let's check out what their pricing model is. So what they charge right here on their base plan is $399 per month per client. And this is monthly recurring revenue, which is kind of the holy grail to business these days. Then we don't have to start out at zero at the beginning of every single month, which brings us a ton of peace of mind as an entrepreneur. And then their next plan up is $599 per month. And so if you think about this, we can simply do the math. If we get 1 client, 5 clients, 10 clients, 20 clients, and as we start to scale and grow, and this is building monthly recurring revenue, which is the best thing on the planet. Okay, so let me show you exactly how we're gonna clone this exact software and have a professionally designed website. This is the website right here, where if you come over here to products, we've got reviews, messaging, web chat, payments, all the similar offers. If you click on these different pages right here, it dives into more detail on how it's offered. And you can see this is all professionally designed. And the cool thing is I've made this in a way where all you have to do is come in here, switch in and out your logo, connect your own domain, and then I'll show you here in just a minute that you just connect your own payment processor and you get to keep 100% of the payments that you make when you make a sale. There's no commission splits. There's no splitting this with any software company or anyone else. You get 100% of the payments. So this website template right here, if you want to use this, it's inside of my free course. Like I said, I've just smash the like button, drop a comment down below. I'll get you that free course. I'll get you that website template. And honestly, everything is already pre-built, pre-done for you. You just switch in and out the logo and your domain, which I also show you how to do inside the free course. And it's all ready to go for you. The demo video, everything from A to Z. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be just white labeling a pre-built software. So what white labeling means is instead of going through and on, let's say on Podium's website, instead of them having Podium as their logo or podium.com as their URL, we are going to have your logo right here and your URL right here. And we're going to be able to leverage this pre-built, pre-coded software that literally offers all of the exact same things that Podium does. So you can see over here, we've got these marketing, we've got automation, we've got websites, and then down here, we've got reputation. So if we click on this one, this is one of the core things that Podium offers and what they started with. We can go through, click on settings over here. We come down here to review link and we can connect their Facebook account right here, their Google account, and be able to help them get more 5-star reviews on Facebook and Google. And no, these are not fake spamming reviews. These are just sending out emails and text reminders to past clients that maybe just came into their office and just reminding them, hey, did you have a good experience? Go through and leave a review. And then if we come back here to Podium, and we go over here to solutions, they also have the AI reputation specialist, which the cool thing here is we have reviews AI, which is basically the same exact thing. And we can turn this on for auto responses and we can say, hey, when do we want to send out this review request? And we can have AI communicate back and forth with a potential client and it's all set up. You don't have to do anything besides help the client connect their Google account and their Facebook account, which is by simply logging into their Google account and Facebook account to connect it to this automation software. And that is all you need to do to make this happen. And then if we come back here to Podium once again, and we go over here to the solutions, we see they've got some payments right here and automations and different integrations. So if we come back over here to the software, check this out. We've got payments and we've got automations. And then over here on settings, we can go check out some of the different integrations that this software has right here, integrations. And so we can click on that and go and integrate with all these other different software apps online for these small local business owners. So the software will literally do everything you need to help these small business owners with their marketing and pay you on a monthly recurring basis. And I also have an extended 30-day free trial to the software, which will also hook you up with a free live bootcamp where we're going to jump on Zoom. We're going to help you set this entire business up for free in about 45 minutes. So you're off to the races, ready to start getting clients and showing you how to fulfill for clients so that you can get these people paying you on a monthly ongoing basis. So just make sure that you've smashed the like button, dropped a comment down below so I can share with you guys that private link that's going to get you the free step-by-step course, the professionally designed website template, plus the live boot camp where we're going to help you jump on Zoom and set everything up for you. Now, I love this business model because it creates monthly recurring revenue, like I've mentioned a couple times before. But the best part is a lot of these services, they're a simple one-time setup. They take maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes to go through and do one time. And then it's delivering results for the small local business owner and real results, not just like some fake results because you just want to go through and make money, but it really is helping these small local business owners. And then they're going to want to pay you on a monthly ongoing basis. So I hope you're able to see how cool this is and that you're already thinking about it, some business owners and some different people that you want to show how the software works so you can actually help their business. And like I said, if you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll share with you the private link to the free step-by-step course, no upsells, and we'll be able to hook you up with the professionally designed website, an extended 30-day free trial to the software. Plus, we'll be able to have that live boot camp, and you'll be able to jump on a one-on-one kickoff call with a member of our team to help make sure that you've got everything set up the right way. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new here, consider subscribing. We launch new videos every single week on how to go through and start your own business, how to grow that business, how to get more clients, how to make more money. And so consider subscribing. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. A quick shout out to our sponsor, LaunchMy.agency. We'll show you how to start a wildly profitable marketing agency for free. Plus, we'll show you the only software that we use and give you an extended 30-day free trial. So go to launchmy.agency right now to learn more and start your free trial. A quick shout out to our sponsor, launchmysoftware.com. You can sell custom AI software to small business owners who already want to buy, and you can keep 100% of the profits. Go to launchmysoftware.com right now to learn more and start your extended 30-day free trial.